live! Finally!
Yeah, I'ma move. You see, I ate it up like food. Ate it up. She came, she ate.
I'm back, and she's running. That's right, back in Australia, and we're getting ready for Summernats in PSI.60. Now, TJ dogged the boys, and he left as soon as I came back. Shout out TJ for getting it up to here. But he's got some Christmas things, and the rest of us are pumping through Christmas. So we've got Ben Venai here somewhere. He's hiding because he doesn't want to be on camera. We'll find him. Yeah, just catching you up to speed on where we're at. So, yes, she runs. We've got 4 Garrett G35 1050s. That's right, 4 of them, with 4 45mm wastegates. This thing's going to be hectic. L98 motor, if you didn't know. It's got a cam, it's got valve springs, it's got some stuff, don't know. But anyway, we're going to send it for Summernats, and let's just give you a quick up to speed of where we're at and where we're going to get to by the end of this video. So, obviously tune is #1 goal. We need this thing to run properly. TJ has just done all the drains, running into a Y-piece into both sides of the sump, which is gangster. He has started some of the core piping. That's what Ben is helping us with. So he's basically welded all the Raceworks clamps on there like so, and merging them both into one pipe on each side. And you also see something spicy should be arriving today to replace this thing so it doesn't look stanky stock. And we're going to merge it all into one. But yeah, what else, Mungus? Where are we at? What have I missed?
Oh, meth.
Meth. We're on meth. Big meth, guys. So this little hose right here, you'll see, that's for meth. Some people run glass, some people run little hoses like this. We're on the hose type. You want to have a look?
Yeah,
All right. So I don't know what I'm looking at. This is my first time I've seen it, but we've got a little pumpy thing and we've got a little bottle thing. So meth goes in here, gets pumped, runs off a switch somehow through the Haltech. It'll basically feed meth into the throttle body, mixed with the air equals cold things, so you don't need to run a front mount. And Ben is actually the tester of that theory on his drift car. And he has insanely cold intake temps.
Take some ice.
Which, with a V8 and lots of turbos, or even single turbos, intake temps are always a big thing, especially for burnout cars. So mix that meth in there and she's good to go. But I still want to run a front mount because it's a VL and you need a front mount. So we'll see how we go with all that. We've got little amounts of time. We're 2 days away from Christmas and only, 1 week away from basically needing to be ready for Summernats, because Summernats is on the 3rd, 4th and 5th. And yeah, we've got to tune, we've got to do some fabrication, some fuel system things. I don't know. But that's what this video is going to be. So strap your ass in. Let's make some power, baby. Alright, so we're getting stuff done. Our welder's playing out, so we've reached out. I want to get some extra helping hands. We've ripped this intake off for a special reason, because we couldn't have this junker chewing on there. So, special delivery. Ooh. Look at that. That's an intake. How much higher does it sit? It's hard to tell, but it looks spicy. It looks much spicier than that. I mean, I don't hate the banana, but Plasman, baby. Thank you, Plasman, sorting us out. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, true. There you go. And then this little piece here, go on the front. I opted for silver just to match when we get all the pipes in there. So it'll just be right in there. And that's it. If we, I did want to run a front mount, and we wouldn't even use that if we go front mount. We'll just go single in, but sweet. There you go. Plasman, baby. We'll get her on and see how she looks. True. So the mad care package from TI. Bunch of the Raceworks goodies, all the fittings that we need. Don't actually even know what that is. Hose. True. Little bits of hose for all this goodies, and we've got some turbo blankets. And we got the Plasman on. Ooh, she's coming together. All those welds looking spicy. What's your mate's name? Sorry?
Junior.
Put him on the spot. I used to work with him, don't know. Anyway. He's done a good job. Our welder for some reason wasn't handling it, so came in and blasted them out, looking so good. And then this, it just finishes it off. Them curves. I like it, but and I'm actually glad I went silver with this too. And I just got to put a fitting in that somewhere for the methanol injection. I do really want a front mount, but we're not screwing around any longer. It's going to look sick just going straight in for now. We'll decide later if we want to add a front mount for drifty things or whatever we plan on doing with this. Starting to come together. It's looking insane. And yeah, got the blankets matching. Well, that's a bit bent that one. Shoot. Raceworks on there, all matching the reverse. Preem for heat managements. And unfortunately going to have to wrap these up too, which sucks, but it's just part of it for Summernats regulation bangs, and try and get a bonnet on there. Just going to pin it down probably. But yeah, looking good, baby.
Jesus, you boys on fire.
We made magic.
Holy love. What's going on? Why is it so quick?
Are we actually shooting it? You actually want to do a video on this?
I'm definitely shooting it.
Alright, pretty much since it's been gone, everything we've done is we've just made up all the cooler piping to make 4 into 2 into 1 into big old plasma man. That's all been done. We're doing all the cooler piping now, and then we're just going to start on all the wastegates, get all the wastegates all plumbed, make it look neat and nice. Then we've got to make a bonnet fit on it, do some other stuff, fuel stuff, easy stuff, and make it done.
You're making it sounds way too easy.
Yeah, it's an easy job. It's just time consuming, but you just got to...
It's an easy job.
It's easy. It's not less. It's easy. It's not an RB, so it's going to work this time.
All right, we will see. We will see. Sparks. I saw the postman. Hey, don't drop it. Oh, good timing.
Freeze.
Right on cue, mate.
Just in time for Christmas.
Will it fit?
Radiator doesn't fit, so we're going to end up dropping the neck down under the pipe to make it clear, but it's going to be all sweet because it's already a 2-pass radiator anyway, so we're going to drop it down, make that clear, make it go under, make it look neater, so this is all going to fit.
So it's a 5-minute job?
Yeah, 5-minute job. Yeah, everything's a 5-minute job. Everything.
Always. Thanks, Phoenix, of course. We've still got a few things to come, like a fan and oil coolers, but good timing, Phoenix. We're right on track, making Summernats. Kind of.
3 hours later.
Did you do anything with the injectors yet? Maybe play with that a little bit. Let it charge up for a second. Nah, I don't need that. I shouldn't need that. Ooh, it's almost time. Jumping the gun. Oh!
I'm just so excited. It seems like it's going to start.
You heard something go.
You didn't come down from my startup.
How good does it look, Brandon? Look at this.
Yeah, it's alright.
Could be better.
Yeah, it could be better.
That's
Immaculate. It's immaculate.
Beautiful. Look at this. Benny Boy's done a good job of the lines. All plumbed up. Plumbed under here. Methanol. Plumbed up under there. Throttle cable. TPS stuff to go on at some point. Throttle cable. Fucking wah. But yeah, nice little hard tech 3-port, 6 PSI spraying. Soon to be soup. Okay.
Oh, hey guys, we are still grinding away on PSI.60, getting it ready for Summernats in 2 days. There's a lot of work to be done, but in the meantime, this beautiful GDR is still here. So if you want this in your driveway for 2025, don't miss out. They're going fast. Click the link below. I could deliver this to your door next year, making you one happy camper.
All right, we're back and we're cranking out the rest of PSI.60 to get ready for our tune, to get ready for Summernats. So, what have we done? Don't know. We've kind of done a bit today. Me and Ben have been smashing it. Last we finished up was obviously the pipes. We were getting it started. We did get it started, and then it stopped running. Figured out it was something to do with dual timing, and it blew a fuse. So fix that ass up, fix up the dual timing, adjust the tune for the injectors, and we're firing back up. We've stopped it, we've drained the oil, plumbed up all of the cooling. So Phoenix, we've got a power steering cooler in there now, and the radiator. I got all the mounts, which is premium, rubber mounts top, bottom, fan on there, wired up, Mac valve wired up. We've got a Raceworks premium catch can, all riv nutted on with all push lock hoses. Hopefully well out of the way. Run them as neat as I possibly can too, under that premium Plasman intake, looking spice. There he is, Stu! Running away from the camera always. Got the Raceworks overflow, so we're about to fill that ass up. These things are really cool if you haven't seen them. Nice and thin. They've got a few different types, but this one fits in here nice. It just runs down there with a bracket. Right there, yeah. Fixed on there, roll firmly. Yeah, so this thing inside actually runs out, so if it pressurizes or whatever, overflows, it will overflow out there. Kind of like factory style, but neater. There you go. So I got all that plumbed up, ready to fill up with Walder, power steering, and let's fire up again and see if we're good for this. See if we're going to be good for this tune. How you feeling about it?
Yeah, it's good. It's good. It's going to work. Everything's going to work fine. It's going to have no leaks. It's going to be mint.
You changed the spark plugs too, with some freshy plugs. I don't even know what was in there. What was in there?
B7 EFS.
Oh, that was in there as well?
No,
what was in there?
Janky
things, just whatever came with the motor.
Yeah.
Champion Iridium.
Straight for me, though.
Jeez. But yeah, so it should be good. And let's get this topped up and run her up and get to the dyno. Alright, so quick update. We had a little overheat situation, hence having bucket and shat on the floor. We've got a little potential water pump leakers, which is only minor, so we'll get through the tune and fix that. But everything else is good. We've got power steering sorted. We rebleed that. The fan is now working. I think we blew a fuse. We got the methanol. We tested that. It's all working. We had one cylinder down, or we heard this turbo sounding weird. So we just checked that, and just the lead wasn't on properly. Shibby. We were running hella rich before. Now, Bill Hooten from Hooten's Harnesses jumped on call on TeamViewer and got us sorted with that, cleaned that up a bit. We can actually now rev her up, and she's idling really nice. So if we start her up again and give her a little spice. Feel it. Chuck on the just the accessories for a second. I can hear I think it's the boost solenoid go nuts. Oh, it's a fan. Interesting. Must be just hitting something gently. Yeah, or zip tie hit. Don't know.
Bunch of builds.
Oof, good work, son. On that note, we're out. Back next video for tuners. So if you liked it, like that ass, PSI.60's back, baby. We're gonna do some fat skids, shoot some fat flames, and it's gonna be a good time. So if you enjoy it, you want to see more, smack that sub and like, and we'll be back for more Reetness.